Alright, so let's go through this ASTC ratio question. So we have this angle A and angle B, right? They are in the same quadrant. So where sine A equal to 12 over 13 and tan B equal to negative 3/4, right? So for the part C, they ask us what is cosine 2A. Okay, so whenever we are doing this ASTC ratio, first thing first, we need to find where is angle A and B first. So how do I know where is angle A and B? You must look at the information, which is sine A equal to 12 over 13. So if sine A equal to 12 over 13, which is a positive value, so must be in the A and the S quadrant. So but tan B is negative, so means must be in the S and C quadrant. So of course they say, oh, it's in the same quadrant, right? So means they must be in the sine quadrant, which is the second quadrant. So let's write down. Alright, so after determining your determining the angle A and B are in the second quadrant, right? Now we find what is cosine 2A. So if you look at this cosine 2A is angle A. And of course, if cosine 2A is a double angle, right, we try to make it into just a single angle. So for example, right, so cosine 2A. So we know cosine 2A, there are three forms. So first, of course, the first form is cosine square A minus sine square A, right? Then after that, second form is 1 minus 2 sine square A. The third form will be equal to 2 cosine square A minus 1. So of course, which form do you think we want to use so that we can get the answer? Definitely is the second form. Of course, I can also use third form. But of course, third form we need to do a bit of calculation, a bit more tedious. Okay, so I know what is my sine A already, right? So my sine A is equal to, my sine A is equal to 12 over 13. So sine square A is equal to 1, it's just 12 over 13 bracket square. So it's equal to 144 over 13 square C, 169. Then after that, you just use cosine 2A. So cosine 2A is equal to 1 minus 2 multiplied by 144 over 169. So if you calculate correctly, right, you should get 1 minus 2, 144, 169. So you should get a negative value of 119 over 169. Yeah, so this will be the answer. Okay, so for ASTC ratio, just make sure that, okay, if you see double angle, you make it into single angle first using the double angle formula. Then you should be able to get the answer already. Alright.